A up. No, not A up. I'll do. How do? Welcome back. Thanks for clicking. Today I'm going to do another build. It's not Lego. I'm gonna have a go at making this. It's a little model made out of wood that you put together, no glue needed. I'm in my content creators. What am I in? Content. My new content creating studio that I made last week. So if you go back to my last video, the DIY one, you'll see how I made it. Anyway, let's get straight onto it. Right, so here we go. I start by taking the relevant pieces out. They're all on boards and the boards were lettered A, B, C, D, E, F. I just got the little pair of scissors just to help me pop them out. Some were a bit sticky. So this bit I'm making is the base. It was in like 1,000 pieces. I quite enjoyed it. I thought each piece would have been in the same board, but they weren't. That was a little bit annoying because you had to keep getting different boards out, but it's coming together. Nice and easy. This was a little tray I was making just for the bottom, so it actually has a little keepsake tray. As you can see, I do use the scissors a bit. It's just a little, just used as like a sharp pointy bit to pop the bits out or position the bits. And as you can see, they're already coloured, so the bits of board were coloured. Maybe it would have been nice if it wasn't and you could paint it afterwards, but no, it was already done. So that's the base made, and now I'm just starting to make the car. The car had a frame at the bottom, and then you just build onto that, all the pieces. I did struggle with the instructions on this bit, it was a bit hard. Instructions weren't that clear, it was hard to tell which bit was which. Everything was numbered on the boards but in really small writing, so I had to put my readers on. So this is like one side of the car I'm making up now. There's absolutely no glue needed at all. They just kind of had, each part had a little hole and it would push itself into the other bit. So that's the car, completely done. Looks pretty good. So now I'm just making like the counterbalance piece that the car attaches to, and it will have weights on the bottom. Now this bit was one of the hardest bits to do, making this little weight at the bottom. The instructions weren't clear at all, and there was like, I'd say about 30, 40, 50 pieces just to this bit. It seemed to be going on forever. But I soon got the hang of it, and there it is. So I'm just attaching that to the car, which again was a bit fiddly. But I got there. I'm just clearing away and let's have a look what that looks like. It's cool, isn't it? So everything's moves, the surfboard moves as it goes backwards and forwards. The little guy, his little arm waving about. It's great. So
that's it built. What do you reckon? It's pretty good, isn't it? So let's get down to the build results. So let's start with build quality like last time. It's pretty good quality, to be honest. I was quite surprised. Some of the wood was a little bit flimsy. I managed to break a couple of pieces, but apart from that, I'm quite impressed with that. Value for money. This was off Amazon and it was £14.50. So that's quite good. I'm happy with that. I don't feel like I've spent a lot on that, and it took me quite a long time to do. Difficulty. Well, the box says somewhere that it is for 14 years and over. So it was a lot harder than Lego. Some bits tried me, very fiddly. My fat fingers weren't very good for this, but yeah, I will give difficulty 4 out of 5. It was fairly difficult, but not impossible. Instructions. So the instructions weren't as good as Lego. I found some of it quite hard to follow. It was numbered and then they just stopped numbering it. So the instructions, I'm only going to give a 3 out of 5. Could have been a lot better. Recommendation. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 for recommendation. It's cool. I'd definitely recommend that. Pass the time. I enjoyed doing it. 100%. 5 out of 5 recommendation. So that sums up the build results. Ooh, I'm freezing. So I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to ask you to watch my last video. It's DIY and it will show you how I made the studio that I filmed this in. I'm going to ask you to like, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, I'm going to ask you to ring that bell thing, everything. And also follow me on social media. I am on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.